Hello my YouTube kids, welcome to Fun Club. Today we'll be learning about A-letter words. So please like and subscribe my channel to get more updated videos and don't forget to click on bell icon. So let's learn A-letter words. A. A for apple. Apple. A for ant. Ant. A for accordion. Accordion. A for airplane. Airplane. A for abacus. Abacus. A for eggs. Eggs. A for acrobat. Acrobat. Now kids, we'll repeat with sounds. So you repeat after me. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Accordion. A. Airplane. A. Abacus. A. X. A. Acrobat. Thank you for your attention. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep maintaining healthy relationship. Take care. Bye-bye.